Join us on an exciting journey as we unlock the power of plant-based protein. Discover nourishing and delicious alternatives to meat, from vibrant legumes to ancient grains and innovative ingredients. Revolutionize your perception of protein-packed meals and embrace a healthier, more sustainable future. Get ready to be amazed. Nutritional value. When it comes to the nutritional value of plant-based protein, it offers several key advantages. Plant-based proteins are generally rich in dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health, helps control blood sugar levels, and supports weight management. Additionally, many plant-based protein sources are packed with vitamins and minerals, such as folate, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E, which are important for various bodily functions. Furthermore, plant-based proteins often contain phytochemicals and antioxidants, which have been linked to reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, certain cancers, and inflammation. Complete protein. Plant-based sources can be combined strategically to provide all the essential amino acids your body needs. While some plant-based proteins may be deficient in one or more essential amino acids, combining different sources can create a complete protein profile. For example, legumes like beans and lentils are rich in lysine but lower in methionine, while grains like rice and wheat are lower in lysine but higher in methionine. By pairing legumes with grains or seeds/nuts, such as rice and beans or hummus with whole wheat bread, you can ensure a complementary amino acid profile. This combination allows your body to obtain all the essential amino acids necessary for protein synthesis and optimal health. It demonstrates the versatility and power of plant-based protein sources when properly combined in a balanced diet. Diverse sources. The power of plant-based protein lies in the wide range of sources available. There is an abundance of plant-based protein sources that cater to various dietary preferences, restrictions, and culinary preferences. For instance, soybeans and soy products like tofu and tempeh are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Quinoa, a complete protein source, offers a nutritious alternative to grains and can be used in salads, stir-fries, or as a side dish. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and hemp seeds, not only provide protein but also offer healthy fats and other essential nutrients. Legumes like chickpeas, lentils, and various types of beans are affordable, nutrient-dense, and can be used in soups, stews, curries, and salads. With such a diverse array of plant-based protein sources, it's easy to find options that suit individual tastes and nutritional needs while incorporating variety into your diet. Plant-based meat alternatives. Plant-based meat alternatives have emerged as a popular choice for individuals looking to reduce their consumption of animal products while still enjoying familiar flavors and textures. These products, often made from plant proteins like soy or pea, are designed to mimic the taste, appearance, and mouthfeel of traditional meat. Plant-based meat alternatives, such as burgers, sausages, or nuggets, offer a convenient and accessible way to transition to a more plant-based diet. They can be cooked and seasoned in a similar manner to animal-based meats, making them suitable for various recipes and cooking methods. Homemade plant-based meals. Incorporating homemade plant-based meals into your diet allows you to have full control over the ingredients and flavors, making it an exciting and personalized culinary experience. Cooking plant-based meals at home provides an opportunity to explore a variety of protein-rich ingredients and experiment with different flavors, spices, and cooking techniques. You can create delicious plant-based dishes that cater to your taste preferences, dietary needs, and cultural influences. Whether you're preparing a hearty lentil soup, a flavorful chickpea curry, a protein-packed tofu stir-fry, or a refreshing quinoa salad, homemade plant-based meals allow you to enjoy the nutritional benefits of plant-based proteins while unleashing your creativity in the kitchen. It also promotes mindful eating and fosters a deeper connection to the food you consume. Protein supplementation. Plant-based protein supplementation can be a beneficial option for individuals with specific dietary needs or those looking to increase their protein intake. Plant-based protein powders, such as pea protein, hemp protein, or soy protein, offer a convenient and versatile way to boost protein levels in smoothies, shakes, or baked goods. These supplements are often rich in essential amino acids and can help meet increased protein requirements for athletes, individuals following a vegan or vegetarian diet, or those recovering from injuries. Plant-based protein supplements are typically free from common allergens like dairy, eggs, and gluten, making them suitable for individuals with dietary restrictions or sensitivities. However, it's important to choose high-quality, minimally processed options and consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to determine the appropriate dosage and usage for your specific needs. Remember that whole food sources of plant-based protein should always form the foundation of a balanced diet, and supplements should complement a well-rounded eating plan rather than replace it. If you enjoyed this video and found the information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button. Your support motivates us to create more content like this. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on nutrition, wellness, and healthy living. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with our latest uploads. So, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's continue this incredible journey together. Environmental impact. Opting for plant-based protein over animal-based protein can have a positive impact on the environment. Animal agriculture is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. In contrast, plant-based protein production generally requires fewer resources, generates lower greenhouse gas emissions, and has a reduced environmental footprint. By choosing plant-based protein sources, you can contribute to sustainable food systems, conserve natural resources, and mitigate the environmental impact of food production. Additionally, promoting plant-based protein consumption supports the well-being of animals and encourages a more compassionate and ethical approach to food choices. Making conscious decisions to reduce reliance on animal products can help create a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. Remember, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet that includes a variety of plant-based protein sources, along with other nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Consulting with a registered dietitian or nutritionist can provide personalized guidance and ensure you're meeting your specific nutritional needs. And that's a wrap on our adventure through the power of plant-based protein. We hope you enjoyed this eye-opening exploration and feel inspired to incorporate these incredible alternatives into your own culinary repertoire. Remember, by choosing plant-based protein, you're not only nourishing your body but also making a positive impact on the planet. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. And of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting culinary adventures. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep unlocking the power of plant-based protein.